Okay, so our given here is 45a squared b over 30ab. So to simplify, first, we need to get the GCF of the given constant. So what is the GCF of 45 and 30? 15. So 15, divide the GCF by the constant. 45 divided by 15, 3. And 30 divided by 15, 2. Then we have also the common variable. A squared and A. Saan mas mataas? Numerator, denominator. So therefore, si letter A sa numerator. Then subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1. Or simply A. Next, B divided by B. Anong gagawin natin dyan? Parehas ba sila? Anong exponent ni B? Imaginary? Dito rin, imaginary? Okay, quotient rule. Kapag parehas na parehas, anong sagot? Or simply, cancel mo na lang. May susulat pa ba tayo dito? So, wala. Therefore, the answer is 3a over 2. So, who got the correct answer? Okay, very good.